Hello, trading is closed on August the 16th, 2016. My last call said unless we gapped up or promptly took out yesterday's highs, we should trade lower, which is what happened. We had some targets from August 12th and August 11th that were hit pretty much on the nose, and there was support under the target, so we can cross those off the list just a day or so after we put them on. During the day, MEJT gave a few sell signals, but they've been satisfied, and there's no MEJT target for tomorrow. Tomorrow's call is kind of tricky for me because the long-term pattern's looking increasingly bleak, while the short-term pattern gives us a good chance of a gap up. What's not good about this is that we have a gap up yesterday, followed by a gap under these lows, giving us an island reversal and showing this was not for keeps, a false move. What's positive about today's chart is that we gapped down. It has hit some new lows, and with 5 minutes left to trade, couldn't hold on to any of them. 5 minutes left to trade, we had a wall into the close and the Hobson close right at today's low, and also right at a MEJT support level. The timing of this drop makes it very suspect. It tends to be panic selling by the public, and the vast majority of time when you have a close like this with a wall into the close and right at the low, there's a gap up when the market reopens. It's particularly likely to gap up when you're at a support level. So the most likely thing is that we gap up tomorrow. But if we gap down instead, or that we don't even have a gap up, once this falls, then we've dropped through support, and the implications of that could be ominous. Let's remember we already have a valid combo sell signal on the weekly chart, and the sequential doesn't have to go to completion. The half-a-day chart shows we have a sequential sell which is still active. 12 bars of a combo sell, and the last 3 bars don't have to obey all the rules, so we could have a combo sell on a half-day chart as well. We have a valid wave count which shows that this leg of the rally is over. It's also negative that not only did we undercut this formation here, but after gapping up 5 out of 7 days, the market has nothing to show for it, as we're now under the initial high of the first of these 5 gap up days. It shows the market spinning its wheels at the top. This break here is also a valid break of the trend line. We've returned to the trend line, and we could still just keep on dropping. So tomorrow's open, I think, is going to tell the tale. There's a good chance of a gap up, but if we drop at the open instead, it could be a very steep drop. Even if we have the gap up, I think the days of this rally leg are numbered, and it shouldn't be very long before we trade much lower. And that's today's call.